with no leashes on today in the heat. So I just got him out here before he goes to bed, cooling him down and letting him loosen up his bones a bit so he's more comfortable sleeping. He has to have his bedtime walk. People just cruising here on the bikes. You hear that? They go pretty fast and no lights. And then they don't realize that you could have a very black dog coming towards you. And if a dog picks up a scent, he's going to walk right in front of you to get to it. So that's why we like to stay off the city trails. I'm not very fond of keeping a dog right to your hip while you're walking. I'm a big believer in dogs needing to roam and sniff things and do what they're born to do. And when they're restricted to your speed, they don't get much exercise. So let's stay over here a bit. Okay, bud? Run off the trail. Okay. Okay. Alrighty, buddy. So I'm gonna have to put this headlamp on because there's too many people around. And they don't seem to realize that I have a dog.
The thing is, we probably wouldn't be able to do it while
This is a walking trail, by the way. And it's just bike after bike after bike after bike.